Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today we will talk about classification of weeds. First, let me introduce our members. First, we have Safri Amiruddin with student number 134210288. And last, we have Arin Rizky, which is myself, with student number 134210289. Okay, next. Classification of weeds. Weed classification is needed to study the characteristic of weed, with following studying the benefit and how to control them. Each group of weeds, Each group of weeds shows the characteristic and way to controlling them. Weed grouping is useful to help humans know and recognize the types and characteristics so that we can apply herbicides appropriately and correctly according to the target weed type. The following is classification of weed. They are grouped based on morphology, life cycle, growing habitat, and based on their effect on plants. First, classification of weed based on morphology. Based on their morphology and biotechnology, weeds are grouped into groups, namely grasses of the family Poaceae, Graminae, sedges of the family Cyperaceae, and broadleaf. Grass group weeds. Grass weeds are included in the Graminae or Poaceae tribe family. The general characteristic of grass group weeds include having a round or slightly flat stem and an average hollow. Solitary leaves on the nodes, arranged in 2 rows, generally have parallel veins. Weeds consist of 2 parts, namely the leaf sheath and the leaf blade. Leaves are generally line-shaped with flat edges. Leaf tongues are often clearly visible at the boundary between the leaf midrib and the leaf blade. Next, sedge. The puzzle weed belongs to the family Cyperaceae. The stem is generally triangular, sometimes round and usually not hollow. The leaves are arranged in 3 rows. Do not have leaf tongues, mother of flower buckets without hooks. Flowers are often in spikes or spikelets, usually protected by a protective leaf. The fruit does not open. The puzzle group has extraordinary resistance to mechanical control because it has stem submerged in the soil. Last, we had broadleaves. Broadleaf weeds generally include Dicotyledonea and Pteridophyta. Broadleaf with a mesh-shaped leaf bone. This weed usually grows at the end of the cultivation period. Competition against the main plants in the form of light competition. And next, the presentation will be held by Safri Amir.
Classification of weed by leaf cycle. Based on the leaf cycle, weed can be divided into annual weeds, biennial weeds, and perennial weeds. 1. Annual weeds. The life cycle of annual weeds from germination, production until finally dead lasts for 1 year. In general, annual weeds are easy to control, but they grow very quickly because of the high-speed production. The form control of annual weeds requires greater cost. Next. To season with biannually with the season with life cycle is more than 1 year, but no more than 2 years. In first years, this wheat products a roasted form. In the second year, it flowers, produces seed, and finally this. In the roast period, this type of wheat is generally sensitive to herbicides. 3. Annual wheat, perennial wheat. The annual wheat life cycle is more than 2 years and may be identified chronic. This type of wheat mostly reproduced by seed and some reproduce vegetable and annual wheat can adapt to the environment. For example, in the dry season, this type of wheat seems to die because there are plants that die out, but if treated of water and wheat will soon bloom again. Next. Three classification of wheat based of growing habitat. Based on their habitat, wheat can be divided into aquatic wheat and terrestrial wheat. 1. Gulma air, aquatic wheat. In general, aquatic wheat grow in water that floating, submerged, and had submerged. Water wheat can be narrow leaf, broad leaf, on puzzle wheat. 2. Mainland wheat. Land wheat grow on land, include infit and platis. The type of terrestrial wheat that grew in plateau and high depended on the main crop type, soil type, climate, and cropping pattern.
Okay, that's all we can tell you about wheat classification. Thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.